Debbie Rinda, and I'm the founder and director of Stellar Consulting. It's a management consulting company that focuses on building leaders for the future. One of the most exciting pieces about being invited to come to this Inspire conference was knowing that I would be in a room with, what was it, 600 or 700 other women entrepreneurs? Can you imagine? It was gobsmacking. When I was driving into the conference this morning, I thought, what is the collective noun of a whole room full of women entrepreneurs? And it's not a flock, because that's a flock of geese. And it's not a pack, because that's a pack of dogs. It must be an inspiration. An inspiration is this group of women entrepreneurs, and that's how they've touched me. They've really touched my heart. I came to inspire them, but the room inspired me. I was invited to speak at the We Inspire conference, probably mostly because I'm a graduate of OSU and got to chatting with some of the people I know there, told them about the business I have created in the UK, this management consultancy company on leadership, and they said, perfect, come speak to women entrepreneurs in Oklahoma City on the 4th of April. So here I am. And so I took a deep look inside of me and said, what do I have to tell other entrepreneurs? Well, I've been an entrepreneur for 12 years, so I decided I can tell them a few of my stories. So I gave them 3 stars and a wish. Each star was a piece of my journey, and the wish was for them to be able to grow up and be better entrepreneurs. But there's more of that in the conference. When I'm asked, what advice do I have for OSU students? Gosh, that's a big one. I was on campus last year in October talking to a lot of student leadership group, and even today in the audience of entrepreneurs, and what they have in common is being open to possibilities. Who would have ever thought that me, just a girl from Oklahoma, I was raised here, went to OSU, would be speaking at a conference like this, would be running my business in England. Be open to possibilities. Take those risks. Consider the unthinkable. Just keep taking on more of what is out there.